So because the Hobby Lobby ruling said that Americans and even corporations have religious freedoms in a broader way than they had before, well, the defendants in Guantanamo Bay and their lawyers decided, hey, let's file a motion because this is the holy month of Ramadan, and in Ramadan you're supposed to do an extra prayer, which I'll get to in a second, explain the details of that. And down in Guantanamo, they won't allow that communal prayer to happen, okay? So they file a motion that says this: Hobby Lobby makes clear that all persons, human and corporate, citizen and foreigner, resident and alien, enjoy the special religious free exercise protections of the Federal Religious Freedom and Restoration Act. Now that makes sense. And they file this on behalf of Emad Hassan of Yemen and Ahmed Rabbani of Pakistan. Okay, conservative heads exploding. Now, no, we didn't mean them. We meant good Christians. Okay. I can't wait for all the people who defended Hobby Lobby, including all the hosts on Fox News, to come out and defend Emad Hassan and Ahmed Rabbani. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, so what is it that they want to do? An issue in this case is the ability to perform extra prayers called Tarawih, in which Muslims recite 1/30 of the Quran in consecutive segments throughout the month, which makes me so glad that I left Islam. I denounce and reject myself. I shouldn't have said that. Okay, but I'm now agnostic, and I didn't even know you were supposed to do that. That sounds like an unbelievable pain. Let's put it that way. They're requesting to be able to do this incredibly, what I view to be painful exercise in reciting the whole Quran in 30 days. Let them do it. What's the harm? It's just such a maximum security prison. We spend a couple of $1 million per prisoner per year there. Who cares if they pray more? And how absurd is this that we deny that them? You want to deny them other things, but there's no harm in this. Okay, so now a lot of people say, no, you don't understand, Cenk. These guys are not citizens. They don't have our rights. But corporations are not necessarily citizens, and you say, well, they're foreigners, but a lot of corporations are owned by foreign entities, either foreign companies or their stockholders are from all over the world. So why do they get those rights, but these foreigners don't? Okay. In fact, as reported here by Al-Jazeera America, federal courts have previously ruled that Guantanamo detainees were not persons within the scope of RFRA and therefore did not have any guaranteed rights to religious exercise. So let's follow Supreme Court logic so far. According to their Hobby Lobby decisions, closely held for-profit corporations equal persons. Actual persons do not equal persons. You can't make this stuff up. Those are the actual rulings of the United States Supreme Court. Now, the lawyers in this case say Hobby Lobby hopefully changes the earlier rulings, and hence our actual human beings have the same rights as those for-profit corporations. But if I was them, I wouldn't bank on it. Welcome to America, where corporations have special rights and human beings, not so much.